Remember, thick pancake mixture, thick pancakes. Hello and welcome to Brody's. So today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy American pancakes with zero sugar. Zero, that's right, zero sugar. So our ingredients are going to be 300 grams self-raising flour, 3 eggs, we've got 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to do a little bit of salt, 60 grams of buttermilk butter, 1 teaspoon of Madagascan vanilla. I'm going to use almond milk as well. With that, you want about 150 to 200 mils. As we're pouring it in, we're just going to check the thickness of the pancake. So we'll just do that as we go along. And that's everything. So that's all the ingredients. That's going to make around about 9 or 10 American pancakes. A decent amount for a family. So we're going to add in the dry ingredients first. Start with self-raising flour, baking powder or bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to add in a bit of salt, and we're just going to give that a quick mix in. Okay, once we've got a little bit of a decent mix there, we're going to then add the eggs in. So we've got 3 medium to large eggs. We're going to give them a little bit of a mix up. What I like to do with that as well, just put a tea towel over the top. Stops the flour going all over your kitchen then. Till you start getting a bit of a mix in. Once it starts getting a bit lumpy, I'm just going to start to pour the almond milk in there. What you want to look for is a nice consistency. Probably let the bowl go around once if you've got one of these machines. If not, just pour a bit in. You're always better off leaving it for a bit. If you need to add more, then you can add more later on. I'm going to add in the melted butter. That should start to get a nice consistency through it there then. Probably time just to add a little bit of vanilla extract. Probably one round about a tablespoon. Just gives it a nice bit of flavour there. Nice and smooth mixture. Let's turn that off. As you can see there, just dropping off the whisk. So it's nice and smooth. That's going to make perfect pancake. Okay, the reason we want a nice thick mixture like this is because we want nice thick pancakes. If the pancake mixture is too thin, it's just going to hit the pan, start to spread. It's just going to be really thin pancake. It'll cook through too quickly, and you're just going to get thin pancakes that's not going to cook evenly on both sides. So remember, thick pancake mixture, thick pancakes. I'm going to come over to the pan. So we want a nice medium heat. So don't turn that heat up too much to start off. You don't want to heat it up quickly because it's just going to burn the first pancake as soon as you put it in. What you will find as well, more than likely, probably 90% of the time, your first pancake will be awful. Just so you find the right consistency. If your first one needs to go in the bin, get it chucked in the bin. Okay, so that pan should be nice medium heat. I'm just going to turn it down a little touch. As soon as you hit that pan, you can hear it start to cook straight away. Circle as you can. Spot on that. So it's started to cook there straight away, and you're going to get a nice even cook on that side. What I want to try and look for is little bubbles just on top of the pancake here. Once them bubbles start to come through, it's time to flip. If you flip too early, it's just going to be a nightmare. You'll end up with mixture all around your pan. So yeah, we just want to make sure we keep an eye on the top there. Obviously these pancakes are a little bit thicker, so it's going to take longer for them to go over. So you can just have a little flick under there. As you can see, that went nice and easy. That because it's so thick, the mix is less likely to spread out across the pan. We're going to leave that for 45 seconds. So we want to do 45 seconds on either side. And we're going to flip it back over, cook it for another 30. If you prepping these, just knock 5 or 10 seconds off. What you can do there then is when you warm them up in the microwave, they'll start to recook again. So you don't want them perfectly cooked, you want them slightly undercooked, so they'll fluff up a little bit more in the microwave the next morning. 5 seconds, flip it back over. If you just give it a little push, you'll see it's still quite raw in the middle. So we're just going to give that another 30 to 45 seconds. As I said, if you are going to reheat these in the morning, so you're meal prepping them, undercook them, and then the next day they'll cook again in the microwave. Okay, I hope you can catch this on camera. Just watch this as I flip this, watch the rise on the pancake. As you can see, perfect thickness on them pancakes. And then they're going to rise a little bit more if you put them in the microwave as well the next day. So imagine how thick they'll be in the morning. To dress the pancakes, I'm going to try 3 different skinny syrup flavourings. So the first one's just going to be your basic maple syrup. Each one is gluten free, fat free, 0 calorie, vegan friendly, sugar free and diabetic friendly, so it ticks all the boxes. Same with every syrup that as well. So I've got the toffee apple one, which I'm going to do with some toasted apples, and salted caramel one there as well, which I'm going to do with some banana. Okay, so we're going to plate these up now. Nice thick pancakes. I'm going to do 1 per plate just while I dress them up. So start with the salted caramel one. Just pop on a handful of bananas. American fluffy pancakes with banana and salted caramel, toffee apple and toasted apples, and your classic maple syrup. Okay, so there's your 0 sugar fluffy American style pancakes. If you're looking to still enjoy the same foods that you've always wanted to enjoy, especially for breakfasts, you want to take the sugar out of it, that is perfect. So give it a try. If you do want to pick up any of the sauces, the best ones that I recommend are the skinny syrups from the Skinny Food Company. You can get them off Amazon. They've got their own website, loads of different flavours. So get yourself there and try and mix it up a little bit, see which ones you like. If you enjoyed the video today, please give me a like, and even better, if you want to see more of this, subscribe to the page. We'll be making lots more things like waffles, burgers, pizzas, Like I said in my intro video, we'll be stripping out as much rubbish as possible, giving you the good stuff only. If there's anything else you'd like to see me make, sugar free, if you just put something in the comments below, maybe it is waffles, maybe it's your favourite snacks, brownies, flapjacks, comment underneath and I'll see what we can do. I'll try and come up with a bit of a recipe.